Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable daily limit on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! In a world where Instagram has become a daily ritual for millions, many users are blissfully unaware of a simple but effective feature that could help curb their addiction to the app. On my previous video, I've shown you how to set your daily limit on Instagram. But what if you want to turn off this daily limit for maybe for some reason you want to turn off this feature? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to tap on our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can tap on time management. As you can see, my daily limit is turned on. You can just tap on that. To turn this off, you can choose off like this. So you have no limit for using your to spend your time on your Instagram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to disable daily limit on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.